Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back guys. Today's DIY is future project number 5, the chic wall art decor. And these are the items that we will be starting off with. I have 2 sets of curtain tiebacks. I also have 2 sets of curtains. Over here on the side, I have the mosaic tile, which was a thought in the beginning. I never used them, but we'll put them to the side for another project. And here is the foundation of this DIY, guys. I found this at the local thrift store for $14. Oh, right here, my daughter went out and bought this table for me because she thought it was pretty dangerous the way I was cutting and sawing the wood using a bar stool chair. And here guys, I am spray painting this ornament to give it a fresh look. And here is the result of that. And here you see I began to use metallic gold paint to color the leaves of this piece of wall art. I also used the foil gilding paper. And here you see me doing several coats of the metallic gold paint. I wanted to get rid of the streakiness that my brush was giving it. And here I am applying some Mod Podge glue on the alternating flowers where I will be laying the gilding paper. This is what the paper comes on, a like a little tablet sort of, and I just take a piece and lay it across where I have applied the glue. Once I've done that, I let it sit for a few seconds and then I pat it and tear off extra pieces and fill in spaces. Then I just tap it in place, a little tap and brush. And once it feels like it's set, then that's when I begin to remove the excess paper from around the edges. And here is the result of that. This is really looking nice, guys. It's coming along. At this point, I did do a few more coats of paint on the leaves. Okay, guys, at this point, I am going to cut the curtain in half to make 2 panels. And I'm just going to follow this seam all the way down. I did the same thing with this panel. And this is how I decided to use that curtain to decorate this beautiful ornament wall decor. Wow, I think it turned out really nice. And this is the final result, guys. Here you see how I used the 2 magnetic curtain tie backs. And also it served as a purpose to hold the curtain in the middle, where you see I tried to swag, give it a little swag, and drape the longer portion of the curtains down the side of the bed. That is so lovely, guys. That turned out really nice. And you see the accent pillows really gave that whole look, you know, pulled together. And here's another way without the swag, and you just hang the curtains off the sides and let it just drape down each side of the bed. And here's another way that the curtains could be used and decorated on this piece. I think it turned out so beautiful, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Yes. Very, very nice. So guys, if you like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and welcome. And hello to my current subscribers and my current viewers. Guys, thank you for stopping by to check out future project number 5. So stay tuned, guys, for future project number 6, which will be the last project in this series, and that will be the glass lamp. Also, guys, don't forget to tap that notification bell if you haven't, so that when I come up with the next video, which will be future project number 6, you will know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.